Oh, we got a squeaker. Yep, you hear that? That is not sound effects. That's what I wake up to every day when my kids go to the bathroom. Every year about this time when we turn the furnace on, turn the house into oven, dries everything out, this is what we get. First, I tried using my friend the Hansen magnet here to see if I could find maybe a nail or something, but couldn't find anything through the carpet. So I had to move on to the hammer tap, and I actually did get very close to the joist and find the joist, but I tried to screw it many times and just missed it by a little bit, I guess. I had planned to cut a hole in the carpet and use these long screws with a washer on them, but I kept missing the joist, so I moved on to just pulling the carpet up so I could see where the floor joists are. Luckily, the squeak was right here by the entrance to this bathroom, so I could just pull the carpet up and see, oh, yep, there's the break in the plywood. Doesn't even look like there was any nails in it. So now I'm just going to screw right through the carpet with the regular 3-inch screw here. These are deck screws. Hopefully that'll help me out. But I must say proceed with caution because these are 3-inch screws, and if you're screwing into your floor like this, there could be a water pipe in there and, turn your house into a water park if you're not paying attention. And they actually do sell a kit to fix floor squeaks like this through the carpet, and you break off the screw when you get screwed in like halfway or something. But if you ask me, you could just screw right through the carpet, right through the padding. Nobody will ever know it's there. Quick, easy. Might be a little bit dirty too. Maybe you like it to be dirty. And then you just tap down the carpet back onto the nail strips here. And that's all you need to do, folks. And just like that, the squeaks are gone. I get calls for floor squeaks sometimes. Most of it is not actually the subfloor. It's mechanical work in the floor that's squeaking a little bit. And there's not a ton you can do about that. So luckily this was just the subfloor.